panga laini alafu akakamba ile wazano 1 meter moja apewe mtoto mmoja apewe ndongea then Nikalonzo everybody say cheers. Sawa. Wengine watatu mkuje mpeane.
We decided we will want to put a smile on their faces this time, and we want to make them happy. So we were able to buy the stuff you're seeing in front of us. During the pandemic, we decided that engineers this time will lead the front, and we want to reach the community.
It's a time to share what we have. It's a time to show kindness. It's a time to make someone smile, and we are here to spread the smile, to spread the love, and to hug someone, although we shall be hugging virtually this year.
We are fairly happy because especially at this time of COVID, many people, they were not coming to visit, so we are fairly happy that they have remembered us to come for the second time. They have chosen New Life Home to come for another time.
This is an exercise that is going to be continuous moving on. There is an exercise again where we raise funds for only a week, so we can be sure when we start early, we can be able to even have a greater impact.